How to advertise on Grindr ads. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can advertise your company or products on the Grindr ads. So let's start. When you open the app and log into your account, as you scroll through the browse sections, you'll find various sections where ads will be displayed. Now if you want to get your ads in here, what you need to do is go to any browser of your choice. After that, tap on the search bar and then type create Grindr ad and search for it. As you search for it, you will get this advertise link from the official website of Grindr. Tap on it. Then you will see the option called create an ad. Tap on it. After that, you will have to create an account if you don't have one, or you can simply log into your account. In order to log into your account, scroll below and then you will find this back to login. When you create your new account or log into your existing account, you can simply tap on create an ad and then upload the design and finish it. After you log into your account, you can create an ad in 3 easy steps. The first thing is that you will have to choose your location. After that, you will have to choose the ad. You can either upload your ad design or create a new design by using the website features. After you are set with it, you will have to select your budget and then finalize it. As you do that, you will successfully create an ad on Grindr. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.